Hi guys, it's Winged Rider! And today I'm going to be teaching you some rounding and some adding with a whole load of numbers, and I hope you learned from it. Now, what is rounding, right? Well, actually, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to draw a hill, and there's going to be a 5, there's going to be a 6, a 7, an 8, 9, and 10, and 4, and a 3, not 5, a 3, and a 2, and a 1, and a 0. Perfect. Now, there's going to be a big boulder, and say somebody pushes the big boulder and it rolls down to the 6. Well, that is going to go down to the 10. What if it was at the 5, though? Would it stay there? Well, no, not really. It would go down all the way to 10 to join the others, to join the party. But what if it was at the 4 or the 3? Well, it would roll down to the 0. Anyway, you'll get it when I just keep going. So here's our first question, 73 and 13. And firstly, we're going to round them before we start adding. So I'm going to erase this 13 for a second. And this 73, we're going to round it to 70 because the 3 is below 5. Anything that's 5 or over 5 will be rounded up, depending on whether you're rounding to the nearest 10, nearest 1,000, or so on. So that would be round to a 70. And here's our beloved 13. Now we round it to a 10, because 3 is below 5. There. Now we're going to add our numbers together. 70 plus 10 is actually quite easy, so you don't even have to write it down unless you don't know this. It's 80. So you can tell 0 and 0, 0, and 7 and 1 is 8. So it's going to be 80. Now I'm going to do another one just to make sure it clicks for you. So these numbers, they may look dark and brooding and they're going to attack you, but really they're quite easy. Firstly, we're going to round them to the nearest 10. Well, the nearest 100 in this case, but so this 1, anything beside like the leader, which is like this 7 and the 6, is going to depend on whether it's rounding it up or down. So this one was a 1, so this is going to go to 600. And this is a 7, so it's going to go to 800. 800. Now, 800 plus 600, that's really hard, oh my gosh. So, but it's quite easy, like I said before. And 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, it's 8 plus 6. That's hard. But really, if you just count on your fingers, it's quite easy. 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, okay. Now that's going to be 1,400. 1,400. There you go. Now we're going to do one more really easy one, just to make sure. But it's not going to be like thousands or hundreds or but it's going to be tens. So let's say 18 and 20. Well, actually, let's not make that a 20. Let's make that a 25. Now, 25 is going to round to a 30. 30, and the 18 is going to round to a 20. 20, and 0 plus 0 is 0, and 3 plus 2, well, that's 5. So it's going to be 50. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!